Hey guys, it is Thursday morning here in the Philippines, and we've only got about 2.5 days left of 2022, and then we're going into the new year. And I have enough videos to bring us to the new year, so we'll be doing one tomorrow and on Saturday, so keep tuning back in for these videos. Today, we got a car that I've been waiting a while to get my hands on. That is your Mini GT Nissan GTR R34. This is in my favorite color too, the Bayside blue. Love this car, love this casting. We did the Christmas one just a while back, and I did dig it, but it's a little bit too flashy for me. This one is perfect. So this one here is going to be a keeper for me. This is one, I know I said I was just going to collect Dodges for a while, but this I can't pass up. This is one that I have to keep for my collection. Beautiful car by Mini GT at a very affordable price compared to some of the other premium brands. So here you have Mini GT on the box. Right here it says what the car is, Nissan Skyline GTR in Bayside blue. This is a picture of the actual diecast, not the one-to-one car, which is pretty cool. They make those pictures look very realistic. On this end cap, you have Mini GT Scale 164 in blue. On the bottom side, you have your age recommendations of 14 and older, and then you have your warnings for the choking hazards and such. This end cap, which is cool, you have GTR, which usually this end cap is blank. So this one has the GTR emblem, which is pretty sweet. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that, sorry. Usually this phone's pretty good with staying focused. So this is collector number 341, and they tell you where to find Mini GT online and on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. So let's get this thing out and take a look at it. And as usual, the box comes wrapped in cellophane plastic, but I've taken it off. Then investigate and kind of look at the car, see if there's any flaws, so I know what to point out to you guys. And also because I couldn't wait to see this car in person. So very sweet looking ride. Let me zoom in just a hair. Okay. So as you can see, the Bayside blue is very beautifully done. Has like a very mild metallic look to the blue to give it more depth to it, almost to give it like a candy look. As you can see, the dark shades like on the body lines when the light hits it, looks really nice. So very conservative, just like the bone stock R34 GTR, as it should be. You have your fender badges and such. You have your mirrors, which are rubber, but you need to be careful because they are not so durable. And they're mounted in the corner of the window, so I'm sure they would probably break fairly easy. Body color matched door handles as they are from the factory. Then turning it around, you have your acrylic headlight lenses, marker lights in the bumper, your mesh grille, the GTR emblem in the grille. This hood doesn't have anything like the louvers and stuff like the Nismo version does, or the R-Spec or G-Spec, whatever it is. But this does have the one little air intake for, I believe it's the turbo and such. And then as you can see, it is right-hand drive. And I don't believe these were available in left-hand drive because they never came that way from the factory. You can get the conversions. Actually, I think there's one running around the Philippines in Bayside blue that had the left-hand drive conversion done to it. But they never came that way from the factory. And I think Mini GT is trying to represent the factory or what the exact car is they're trying to replicate. So that's why certain models are only available in left or right-hand drive. So you could see the factory 6-spoke wheels and that kind of like, I don't know if I would call it like titanium look or what it is. It's kind of like a very light off goldish color. So almost like a silver with like a gold hue to it. Pretty cool. Then you have your black front air dam, chin spoiler, whatever you'd like to call it. You have your high wing in the back. Red acrylic taillight lenses with your GTR badge, your Nissan badge, and the Skyline embossed into the lip of the deck lid. Your license plate light, GTR vanity plate, the double tip exhaust, and then this one doesn't have it like the Christmas edition did, but the Christmas edition is also the top secret one. It doesn't have this shield back here. You can see the button head, Phillips head screw. It's exposed. On the top secret model, there's a, I guess, inspection cover, I would call it, back here and such, so you cannot see the rear screw. But on the stock R34 GTR, this model, you can. And you can see the chassis is very nicely done with detailed exhaust and all of like the provisions and indentations and such for the floorboard. And then the inspection cover for the front and rear, very nicely done. Very cool little car from Mini GT. There's the gold one. I don't know if that's the name that they use for the color, the gold, or it's pewter or something like that. I don't know what color they refer to it. But I would like to get that one too, to have with this one. This may be a model that I will try to get all the colors of, because it is a fantastic looking car. But yeah, this one I'm floored by. A very nice car. And as I said, the price is very reasonable. They're about $10 to $12, depending where you're at. Comparing to like the competition, like Eno 64, their models are like upwards of like $25 for the R34. And such, so it's very expensive for the other brands comparing to this. And this one, I don't know how anybody's going to beat it, to be honest with you, because it rolls. It's a fantastic looking car. And we'll back it up here and such. As you can see, it rolls fairly good. It sticks a little bit, but not too bad. It's not because the axles are bent, I don't know. As you can see, rolls pretty good. Maybe it's because of the weight of the car. Maybe it touches the fenders or something. But as you can see, it looks like it rolls fairly good. Whereas like sometimes the other brands like Eno or Tarmac sometimes don't roll so well. This one does. So yeah, once again, I don't know how this one's going to be beat for the price and such. I would do a comparison with this one and the Eno, but I'm not paying $25 for the Eno. So that's why I'm not going to be doing a comparison between the two. If it was the same price, sure, but I'm not paying almost triple the price for a model that's equivalent to one of my favorite brands. So anyways, guys, that's it for the R34. I will be back tomorrow with another Mini GT piece. This one is also a very unique car, and it's a Euro ride, so be sure to tune back in for it. So have a great Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.